Hey guys,
Hey guys!
I know this isn't our typical view, but this isn't our typical video. We first of all want to say thank you so much for helping us reach 1,000
Thank you
subscribers.
guys.
That's amazing, and we would have never gotten here without you. It's a huge, huge achievement for us on YouTube, and we actually made a huge achievement last week on Friday when we closed on our new property. So, for the treat of you guys getting us to 1,000, we're going to take you guys on a tour right now. So stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
So this is our first time walking through since we purchased it. So you guys are seeing this for the first time as we are, as the owners.
Wrong way. There you go.
This is the family room. There's no lights right now. We were gifted with some beautiful moving boxes. We'll make good use of those. We could probably use those to move out of our current place. So we have a patio here and we have some storage. So we continue through. We have a closet in the hallway leading to the kitchen. Yeah. And then we have the dining area over here. Nice light. So we have our first bedroom that's accessible via the family room or accessible via the hallway. Closet space in room number 1. This is the laundry area here. And we just skipped over a bathroom. So this is bathroom number 1. We do plan to do some minor renovations, but we'll get into that in another video. So, want to take a special moment to pause the video real quick to describe who this guy is that's appearing and disappearing in the background of these shots.
And this is my dad, and who also has been our landlord for the past almost a year now, and also was our amazing realtor that helped us close this deal on this condo. And so we just want to give a special shout out to him and show our appreciation, because he's been an amazing father, landlord, realtor, all of the above. And I can't forget my mom too, which is represented through him.
So if you guys need a house in the Orlando area, hit him up. His name is Paul Clark.
This is going to be probably our new YouTube studio. I actually have a designated room for that now. So
Yeah.
we're excited about that.
Living at our parents' house, we have to set up and tear down the YouTube studio every time we record it. But we made it work, so we're excited to have a designated spot for it. And this is the master bedroom. You have a little patio area out here as well.
I might record from there from time to time.
Yeah, that would be cool. And this is the master bathroom, closet space. And so definitely not bad. We do have some room for improvement, but we're going to wait on those improvements. We're going to live how we can as a primary residence first, and then do renovations once we buy our next property.
Or as we are living here, little by little. Live and flip. We'll see.
We'll see. So that's the place. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo, and the square footage is
14, a little over 1,400. I don't remember the exact square footage.
And so we're going to, in future videos, be jumping into all the details of how much it costs to get this place and what we plan to get from rent from this place. It's actually in a really great location. It's within walking distance of a Publix. You guys that don't have a Publix, two Publixes, Publix I. You guys that don't know what Publix is, it's the greatest grocery store in the world. And also, sorry, love. Also, I'm getting used to this phone camera, guys. I'm sorry. Also, it's within walking distance of a lot of restaurants. It's across the street from a mall and a movie theater, even though those aren't really much use right now during the pandemic. But once things are back up and going, it's going to be a great place. Right down the street from a great park that has great fireworks and things like that. So in a year, if you're looking for a place to rent, hit us up. It's a really nice spot. But with that being said, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys once again so much for the love and support so far.
Thank you guys.
Let us know if you have any questions, any comments about the place. We'll be happy to answer them. And we look forward to seeing you guys on the next one.
See you guys.